Welcome to Introduction to Investing, a beginner's guide for working adults. In this video, we'll explore the basics of investing, financial planning, and investment strategies. Whether you're looking to build wealth, plan for the future, or simply understand how investing works, you've come to the right place. Throughout this guide, we'll simplify complex concepts, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel empowered to take charge of your financial future. We'll start with the fundamental principles of investing, then move on to setting financial goals and creating a solid plan. Next, we'll dive into investment strategies, choosing the right investments, and building a diversified portfolio. Finally, we'll cover common mistakes to avoid and provide resources to continue your learning. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on your investing journey. Investing isn't just for the experts. It's a skill anyone can master with the right knowledge and tools. Welcome to Introduction to Investing, a beginner's guide for working adults. In today's financial landscape, understanding the importance of investing is crucial. Investing is a key strategy for building wealth and securing your financial future. It offers numerous benefits, such as growing your savings, generating passive income, and achieving long-term financial goals. However, for many, the world of investing comes with fears and misconceptions. Perhaps you've heard stories of market crashes or think it's too complicated. But fear not. This journey is about demystifying those concerns. With the right knowledge and approach, anyone can become a successful investor. The path to financial security begins with taking that first step. As we continue, we'll break down the basics and guide you towards becoming a confident, informed investor. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is investing? At its core, investing is the act of allocating resources, generally money, with the expectation of generating income or profit. It's about making your money work for you. Now let's dive into the different types of investments you might encounter. There are stocks, representing ownership in a company, bonds, which are loans to governments or corporations, and mutual funds, pooling money from many investors to purchase a diverse set of assets. Then we have ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which trade like stocks but offer diversification similar to mutual funds. Real estate, another popular investment, involves purchasing property with the intention of earning rental income or selling at a higher price. It's important to be familiar with some basic investment terms. When you hear diversification, think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce risk. Risk tolerance refers to the amount of risk you're willing to take. Return is the profit from an investment, and liquidity refers to how quickly you can turn an investment into cash. Grasping these fundamental concepts is key to starting your investment journey right. These basics lay the groundwork for more advanced strategies that can help you reach your financial goals. Stay with us as we continue to unravel the mysteries of investing. Before you start investing, it's crucial to set clear financial goals. These objectives act as your guiding star on your investment journey. Financial goals can be categorized into short-term and long-term. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. Long-term goals are often more substantial, such as saving for retirement or purchasing a home. However, regardless of their time frame, your goals need to be realistic and attainable. Start by evaluating your current financial situation, then define your priorities and time horizons. Setting measurable and achievable goals helps you stay focused and motivated. The clarity of your financial goals influences your investment decisions and ultimately your financial success. As we move forward, you'll discover how to create a robust financial plan that supports these goals. Building a solid financial plan is essential as you embark on your investing journey. A financial plan acts as your roadmap, guiding you towards your goals with clarity and purpose. The first step is creating a budget. This helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means while setting aside money for savings and investments. Next, it's crucial to establish an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net can prevent financial setbacks from derailing your investment goals. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. By budgeting wisely and maintaining an emergency fund, you'll build a strong foundation for your financial future. These elements come together to support your investment strategies and choices. Stay with us as we continue to explore how to align your financial plan with your long-term goals, building a path towards financial empowerment. As we arrive at the heart of our journey, let's dive into the world of investment strategies. There are myriad ways to approach investing, each uniquely tailored to different levels of risk and potential return. Understanding your personal risk tolerance is pivotal. It's about knowing how much volatility you can stomach without losing sleep. Diversification is a key principle. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you balance out the potential ups and downs and reduce overall risk. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may compensate, providing a smoother ride for your portfolio. Let's explore some common investment strategies. We have conservative approaches, which focus on preserving capital and generating steady, albeit lower returns. These might include bonds or dividend-paying stocks. On the other end of the spectrum, aggressive strategies aim for higher returns, but come with increased risk, often involving investments in technology stocks or emerging markets. Balanced strategies blend both, aiming for growth while preserving some income stability. Consider the power of systematic investing, like dollar-cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This method can mitigate the impact of market volatility over time. Selecting the right strategy depends on your individual goals, timeline, and risk appetite. Make informed decisions, stay diversified, and align your investments with your financial objectives. Coming up, you'll see how to choose the right investments that fit your strategy and help you achieve your financial goals. Choosing the right investments isn't just about picking popular stocks. It requires a thorough understanding of various factors. First, identify your risk tolerance. Are you willing to take greater risks for higher returns, or do you prefer stability? Next, researching investments is crucial. Look into past performance, market trends, and potential growth. Utilize tools and resources like financial news, analyst reports, and company annual reports. Lastly, ensure your investment choices align with your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education, your investments should support these ambitions. Taking these steps helps you make informed, strategic decisions that fit your situation. Up next, we'll see how to build and balance a diversified portfolio that stands the test of time. Your investment portfolio is a collection of assets working together to achieve your financial goals. A diversified portfolio helps mitigate risks by spreading investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. But building the right portfolio is just the beginning. Regular monitoring and rebalancing are crucial to ensure your portfolio remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. This means periodically reviewing your asset allocation and making necessary adjustments. By staying vigilant and proactive, you'll be better positioned to navigate market fluctuations and stay on track for long-term success. As we move forward, you'll see how to avoid common investing mistakes and boost your confidence in the journey ahead. Investing can indeed be tricky, and many fall into the same traps. One of the most common mistakes is emotional investing, letting your feelings drive your decisions instead of your strategy. Another pitfall is a lack of research. Always make sure to investigate thoroughly before committing your money. And don't forget about fees. Overlooking them can eat away at your returns over time. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be better positioned for long-term success. Up next, we'll look at the next steps and resources to support your investment journey. We've covered a lot today. Remember, investing is a journey, and understanding the basics is just the first step. As you continue, don't forget to set clear financial goals, create a solid financial plan, and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and objectives. To help you get started or refine your strategies, we've compiled a list of invaluable resources. These include books, websites, and tools tailored to beginners, ensuring you have the information you need. The key to success in investing lies in taking action. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start your journey today. Use the knowledge you've gained and the resources provided to make informed decisions and build a brighter financial future. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Join a community, seek out mentors, and keep learning. Your future self will thank you for the steps you take today. Stay empowered, stay informed, and happy investing. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Don't forget to visit our website for more detailed information and resources. Thanks for watching and happy investing.